Ever wonder why tech gurus spend over $10,000 on massive server racks when a tiny box sitting on your desk might do the exact same job? Most professional video editors are drowning in terabytes of data. They use giant, loud, and power-hungry servers with dual Xeon processors and rows of spinning hard drives. But those old-school hard drives are becoming a bottleneck. Even with fancy RAM caching, they get slower as they fill up. This is the story of how a base model M4 Mac Mini, costing only $399, was transformed into a high-end enterprise-grade storage beast that puts massive servers to shame. The heart of this project isn't just the Mac Mini itself, but what's plugged into it. Imagine pairing that tiny computer with 60 terabytes of enterprise-grade NVMe SSDs. We aren't talking about the small drives you put in your laptop. These are heavy-duty U.2 enterprise drives, specifically designed for data centers. These drives are built for speed and endurance, capable of running laps around 30 traditional hard drives combined. While the massive server racks struggle with random read and write speeds, these SSDs handle them with zero lag. This is the secret to a smooth editing workflow. When you scrub through a 4K or 8K video timeline, you need instant access to data. Traditional servers often hiccup when they run out of cache, but an all-flash setup stays lightning fast all day long. To make this work, you need serious connectivity. The M4 Mac Mini might look basic, but it has a heart of gold with 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. By using specialized Thunderbolt to U.2 enclosures, you can bridge the gap between consumer hardware and enterprise storage. These enclosures allow you to tap into the 40 gigabit bandwidth of Thunderbolt. You can expect to see speeds in the neighborhood of 3 to 4 gigabytes per second from each drive. To get that data onto other computers, you can even add a dual 25 gigabit Thunderbolt dock. This little setup allows for networking speeds that usually require a massive, noisy server room. It's compact, it's quiet, and it consumes way less power than a traditional rack-mount server. Setting it all up is surprisingly simple because macOS has built-in tools that most people overlook. You can use the disk utility to create a RAID 0 array. This stripes the data across multiple drives, essentially doubling your performance. By combining two 30-terabyte drives, the system sees one massive, ultra-fast 60-terabyte volume. Once the storage is ready, you just turn on the native file sharing settings in the system preferences. This turns the Mac Mini into a network-attached storage device, or a NAS. To get the best performance, you might need to tweak a few hidden settings. Increasing the number of RSS channels, which stands for Receive Side Scaling, allows the file transfer to split into multiple streams. This simple tweak can jump your transfer speeds from 1.7 gigabytes per second to a staggering 2.5 gigabytes per second. In a real-world test using DaVinci Resolve, the performance is nothing short of phenomenal. Even with heavy interframe footage that usually makes computers struggle, the timeline remains responsive. When switching to ProRes proxy media, the scrubbing is flawless. You can fly through the timeline, and the Mac Mini barely breaks a sweat, only pulling a few megabytes per second because the SSDs handle the random access so efficiently. It feels like the files are stored directly on your machine rather than across a network. Plus, you can still run apps like Plex or Docker containers on it, making it just as versatile as any off-the-shelf NAS from brands like Synology or QNAP. Is this the most cost-effective solution for everyone? Maybe not if you're on a tight budget, but it proves that you don't need to spend $10,000 to get professional-grade results. You can even start smaller by using older Macs you have lying around and cheaper 5 gigabit or 10 gigabit adapters. This setup is upgradable, quiet, and incredibly powerful. It challenges the idea that pro gear always has to be big and expensive. Sometimes, the best server in the world is the tiny one you build yourself. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech transformation like this. My best opinion on this setup is that it's a total game changer for creators. While low, OK is a bit messy with all the dongles and cables. The sheer performance per dollar ratio of the M4 Mac Mini as a server is unbeatable. It's the perfect blend of consumer simplicity and enterprise power. What do you think? Would you ditch your big server for a Mac Mini NAS? Let us know in the comments.